Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today, I'm here with another video. But this time, it's not any ordinary video. It's a special video with my brother. Okay? So this is gonna be not uploaded to the kids series because it'll be too scary and the kids will get scared. Okay? No, it's not for kids. So if you're a kid, please don't watch this video, okay? It will get scary. Like this. It's quite scary and all. Like it has blood. Even its skeleton is showing. So enough of the intro. Let's begin. Alright guys. So whilst we're waiting here, this is going to be Loona's brand new bedroom. Yes. Even I had built a surprise. Okay, so I moved everything, including my Nintendo. What's that phone over there? Even, I'm going to show you a little bit, okay? So first of all, here is her little house. I haven't set it up yet, okay? So I'm going to be keeping this aside. And then it's not furnished yet, so I'm going to furnish it. Okay guys, I just got the TV in. Of course, it's not real TV. There is the big pad, which is the Google logo. And of course, we're going to be doing this, passing the remote. Okay? So guys, where you may be wondering how I got this Google logo. It was actually from my Google Nest. Okay? Okay, don't get cross with me. Okay? So I'm going to show you where my Google home is. There it is, Google. Okay, by the way, ignore that too. Ignore this, okay? Ignore it. But look at this. Damn. Doesn't that look good? Whoa. Anyways, guys, so that Nintendo Switch is Loona's right now. Plus, I have a PlayStation, but I never do any. I barely do recordings on it. Because the photos gets worse when I play Minecraft. So enough of that. I'm gonna go call my brother. Okay? So I'll be right back.